Hey, I bet you didn't know I was about to pop up out of nowhere, but that's exactly what 2021 is going to do to you if you're not actually prepared. The good news is 2021 doesn't have to hit you by surprise. You don't have to be sitting there shocked and messed up like you are in this moment, but you can actually approach 2021 with more intention, therefore allowing yourself to have more success. How does that feel? Imagine if this is the year that you can actually make your big audacious goals come to fruition. What would that mean for you? How would your life shift? How would your life change? What would happen if you could create changes that actually lasted and weren't just like in your imagination, or you weren't just crossing your fingers, hoping, wishing, and waiting for them, but they actually came to fruition? If you're being honest, your life would change in ways that you probably can't even put into words yet. Check out the information below where you're going to learn about my upcoming live training to make this your best year yet. It is going to literally blow your mind. Here's the thing. I could give you all the tools, the strategies, the supports in the system, which I'm definitely going to be giving you, but I'm also going to be helping you to reprogram your brain so that you can set yourself up for success and literally make this next chapter your best chapter. So use the link below to join us, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.